Hello, this video hyping tech we are talking about the Lidl SilverCrest Blender. It is a good blender. It's a bigger height than the one we replaced it with, and the reason we replaced it, 1750 milliliters, so it's bigger. Glass jug, good sturdy handle. The top locks in as they do with most blenders, and the top does also have a little inserting section for fruit or ice, and we had it for about 2 years, just over 2 years. It did really well. They haven't come back in Lidl yet, but what's happened is it seems like something's blown in it. So after 2 years, we've noticed that when we plug it in, it just fuses, and we have to keep changing the fuse on it. It's got a couple of modes: SilverCrest 600 watt motor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 speeds, and you can go right to the left, and there's an ice crushing feature. This one is just a smoothie blender type blender. It doesn't offer the spices or coffee grinding facilities, and I would recommend it, but based on our one, it wasn't stored in a bad place or anything. It was stored in a nice location in the kitchen with its own dedicated space. So it's really odd how it's just kind of died all of a sudden. Stainless steel blades, so the blades are really sharp even till the 2-year use. It's got nice rubber feet on the bottom, so the noise is reduced. It's not very loud, which is, well, bloopers. Yeah, so that one, let me just make sure. Well, it doesn't work anymore, so it's in the garage. The reason I bought it out is to make a video on it, because I know the other stuff we bought from Lidl in summer, like the fan and that stuff, did really well, so people are interested to see what it's like. But that was a long-term review of a blender from Lidl, the SilverCrest brand, and yeah, just disappointment that it's not working anymore. We have replaced it with an eBay special, which will link to the video separate to show you how that one is. I'm hoping you find this useful if you're thinking about buying a blender or juicer or smoothie maker or whatever other names they know them by.